bad dream? What? Why are you looking at me like that?
I thought you left already.
No, I'm still getting my stuff together.
There's an Uber waiting outside for you.
Thanks. Maybe we can do this again sometime.
Look, I don't mean to be rude, but I have somewhere more important to be right now. Don't forget your money by the nightstands.
Really? This all I get?
Goodbye.
What are you doing? Hurry up!
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. I didn't mean to do that. Here you go.
It's okay. Thank you.
Sorry.
What floor are you going to?
12. Oh no, I couldn't be so late, man. I could have just taken the stairs.
I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Did you say something?
No, I didn't say anything. I mean, yes, are you new around here? Because I've never seen you here before.
Yes. Is that obvious? It's actually my first day. I work on the 10th floor.
That floor is empty.
It was until today. I'm volunteering for the Einstein Research Center.
I thought that building was located down in Philadelphia, if I'm not mistaken.
Very good. Didn't expect you to know that. The Vision Center for the Blind is actually now located in this building.
Vision Center. I didn't know we had blind people in this building. I guess things are starting to change around here, am I right?
It's amazing what we don't know because we can't see. Have a good day.
So crazy.
Shore Enterprises is the largest and most successful stock brokerage firm in the United States and has been for the past 10 years running. We handle billionaire clients from around the world, and we also extend our branches from the U.S. across the world to countries such as India, China, and also Russia. Nice of you to join us, son. And now, with my son at my side, we are going to take this company to new heights. New heights. Anything you'd like to add, son, before we wrap up this meeting?
I actually do have something to say about all this.
All right, folks, you are all dismissed. Thank you for a wonderful meeting, and I will see you next time. Thank you very much for your kind attention. You're dismissed. Is this a joke?
Don't start, Pop. Do not start.
Really? You think this is some kind of game, don't you? And you're drunk.
Yeah, I may be drunk, but my sight is clear enough to see you.
What did you just say to me?
You're so blind with ambition that you have sacrificed our relationship.
Relationship? Relationship. Where are you going with this, son?
Oh. So now I'm your son. Your heart is filled with so much greed that there's no room for me in it.
You know, there are so many people that would give their right arm to be in your shoes, to live the life you live.
You call this living? You call this living? I never asked for any of this. I never asked to be vice president of your company.
No, you didn't. But I did what I thought was best for you.
For me?
Yeah.
No. You did what was best to cleanse your own conscience. Mom would never do so.
Your mother wouldn't do it. Couldn't do it. But I did it. I did what had to be done. This is my company, and it's going to live on long after I'm gone. And you, my son, you're going to carry its name whether you like it or not.
See that? That's your problem. You can never truly see me for who I am. that woman from my dad's building the other day?
I am.
My apologies. I didn't get to introduce myself that day. My name is Ephraim.
It's nice to meet you. I'm Raquel.
Figures.
Excuse me?
Come on, you already know who I am.
I know who you are because you just told me who you are.
No, you knew who I was before I even walked into that elevator. I see you reading my magazine cover. Figures folks are always trying to be nice to me when they first meet me because they already know who I am.
Hey, I didn't see the magazine cover. I really don't see much other than types and shadows. Yes, I'm blind.
Are you here by yourself? You're not afraid because you're...
Because I what? Can't see?
Yeah. Don't you want to know where you're going?
No.
Why not?
Let's just say that I trust wherever I need to go, I'll get there in one piece.
I don't understand. Where are you going?
I'm going to an Indian reserve camp. I'm gonna help the blind children there regain their hope.
Hope.
I just want to let them know that their present circumstance does not define who they are. We live in a world where material things or lack thereof define us, and that's not how God works.
I already know how God works. You don't need to tell me about him or how he
I
does
don't
this.
think you do. because a life without God is like climbing an endless mountain, doing whatever it takes to reach the top. And once you get there, you're left feeling empty. You'll look around to showcase all of your strengths and accomplishments in achieving this feat when the ground around your feet crumble. See, God places us on his train. On this train is where he reveals the plans for our lives. He's going to show us what to do and where to go. We just have to have faith in him while riding the train.
What kind of hope can make you feel so confident without sight?
It's not just hope. It's my faith, too. There was a time when I did all I could to receive my sight back.
Like what?
I looked for the ability to see physically. I went to healing revivals. I sought out so many doctors, but none of it worked. It wasn't until I stopped striving to see physically that light entered my life.
Can I ask you, what kind of light are you talking about?
The light that causes one to really see. You see, physical light isn't always visible. The light I'm talking about, it resides inside of you. And it can be passed from one person to another. May I ask you a question? What is it that you're really looking for? Do you want to see or do you want to have vision? Because faith in God will give you the vision that you've been missing. Stay on the train of truth and vision.